Today we got a video from Sergeant Pepper Spray, and the title of the video is Cocky Teen Driver Gets Chewed Out by Dad After Fleeing Police.
What is it?
While investigating a hit-and-run crash, an officer hears a nearby car rapidly accelerating.
You, stop, stop, stop.
Instead of slowing down, the driver of the Mustang GT stomps on the gas and speeds off.
Okay.
The pissed-off cop quickly hops into his car, but is too slow to catch up with the Formula One wannabe, so he canvasses nearby neighborhoods until finally, Lady Luck intervenes.
5.0, them joints is fast, boy. They got some nice kick to it.
Do you guys know whose white Mustang this is?
Tell her to come out.
Yeah, can you have him step out?
Hello.
Hi. Do I look familiar?
Kind of.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement.
What?
I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
It's all on body cam.
You just.
Nope, I walked out of the road and was telling you to
You
stop.
walked out on the
Yep,
road. You
correct, and I was telling you to stop. It's all on body cam. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. Come here.
Can I just call her mom?
Yeah, you can call her mom. Is that on her phone right there? I am a law enforcement officer, fully uniformed, telling you to stop because you're passing all those cars in a double yellow.
One car.
You passed multiple.
I passed
It doesn't matter. You still fled law enforcement. And then you rapidly accelerated as you went by me. You didn't stop, didn't do anything, didn't even hit the brakes.
No, I was
Got her
going to speed
together.
across.
No, you weren't.
Can I talk to
Act
someone
right.
else?
It was just me there. I don't know who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to?
Maybe your supervisor?
Yeah, he's on his way. You're more than welcome to. That's fleeing and eluding law enforcement. So
Yeah.
go ahead and sit down for me. Do you have anything on you? Because I have a female that's going to come search you.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Huh?
Towing it?
Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, no, I literally was at. I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look and she's in the middle of passing vehicles, coming back over. I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it. So that's fleeing and eluding all day long. So
Don't look stupid now.
absolutely, you're going to be going to court no matter what.
And you said you have it on dash cam?
I have it on body cam.
Okay.
Even better because I was right there.
Oh, okay.
So, what's your name?
This is like the most ridiculous thing ever. Okay, what's your dad?
I know, I agree. Fleeing law enforcement is pretty ridiculous. I absolutely agree. And I'm also towing your car and putting it on a 30-day hold. So, just letting you know.
They're arresting me for fleeing and eluding. I passed in a double line, and then an officer came. I said, I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on. He came out and ran in front of, like, he half ran in front of my, like, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. And then now I'm getting arrested for it because I parked in because he said I was fleeing. But he wasn't even behind me with lights on or anything.
Doesn't matter. Don't need to be. I absolutely don't need to have lights, sirens activated. I'm a fully uniformed law enforcement officer telling you to stop.
Do you have your laptop in there? I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Officer Riera, New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Do you have anything for school?
What officer who?
Officer Riera with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Am I
Hey, Riera.
Oh, okay, good. So,
for school?
literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me to the point where I have to jump in my car, which was parked several hundred feet away because I was investigating a hit-and-run crash. And now all of a sudden she's gone nowhere, so then I obviously find the car and make contact with her. So I don't need to have lights and sirens on behind or anything like that. I'm a fully uniformed police officer. I was given clear hand signals to stop, and I have a witness who was the victim of my hit and run crash who watched the entire thing. So, you know, of course, that meets statute requirements for fleeing and eluding. I don't mean to be a jerk about it or anything like that, but that's where we're at, okay?
How far does she go from when you try to gesture her to stop?
Over a mile. So she didn't try to pull off the road down the street, nothing like that.
Do Was she able to see you? Or?
Oh yeah, I am in a. She just told me I saw him in my uniform. So that's all I need. Like, and I know she saw me because I was about in the middle of the road to where before she would run me over. So I didn't want to get ran over because she was already doing 65 plus. So, I have everything I need for fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. So she can take it to court. It's going to go to court no matter what. But that's what I have. It meets statute requirements. That's what we're doing. Okay.
Okay. Can you put her back on the phone?
Yeah, you're on speaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you'll probably be in jail for the weekend then.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Because you're not gonna get out right away. Why were you going that fast down?
I passed one car. I passed one car because he was going like 30, and I passed him.
This is my daughter's phone. Embarrassing.
So why didn't you pull over at the time when he waved you down to stop? Why didn't you stop?
Because it wasn't like he was. I really didn't even know. I just saw a person in white and black, and then
doing this.
he had one hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He like literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
Okay, so when he came to pull you over.
He didn't. He came over and found my car and pulled.
It's all on body cam, sir. I was almost in the roadway. The reason I didn't go all the way in the roadway is because she was going so fast I didn't want to get hit by her, because obviously I could see that she was not slowing down.
It's just what he thinks.
Okay. You're being so cocky.
I'm actually an instructor for speed measurement, so smart.
I'm not laughing.
I wouldn't be laughing. It's a felony. You committed a felony. Don't laugh at that.
Yeah, I mean, you're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners.
Yeah, this has been her the entire time.
Damn. Yo, shout out to the fathers out there, man. Get her together, man. You ain't being polite. Man, I ain't raised you like that. That's what he pretty much saying. He like, I ain't raised you like that. What's up with you? I know them 5.0 joints, they got some kick to it. I remember I was in Miami a few years back, and I rented me one. I rented me a 5.0 Mustang, and that thing get up, boy. It definitely get up. So I already know I already know. And yeah, she accelerated. She didn't even slow down and try to pull over, see what he was saying, what he was talking about or whatever. And you think you just, shout out to that father, man. Get her together, man. Shout out to her father. That's a fact.
Yeah, that's what I don't get with her. It's just total ridiculous. So you don't understand what you just did.
I do.
Oh, you do you? Really? Like, how do you understand what you're doing? Because you're being a smartass the whole time to me, too. So I can only imagine how you're speaking to an officer.
It's all on body cam. I've been trying to be respectful to her, but
Right, I don't get it. Like, so you just totally just screwed yourself inside and out for what you just did, big time. Because now your car's gonna get towed to the impound. You got to pay to get that out too now.
Yeah, it's like 30 days.
yep, there's going to be a 30-day hold on it. There's going to be a 30-day hold on it.
So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now too, because you don't have no damn manners. And you know what? It's going to take something like this to fuck you up now, and now you're done because you're so goddamn arrogant and cocky the whole damn time when you
Go
couldn't
ahead.
talk to the officer normally, but you didn't. You had to be a real jerk, didn't you? I know you can't bullshit me. He's got the body cam on. So you just totally screwed your whole shit up. Nursing degree, everything. You just did it because you're being invincible. But guess what? You're going to spend the weekend in jail, and you'll see how invincible you are. And you know what? It might teach you a lesson now, maybe. You know?
Good. Yo, shout out to the father, man.
Listen. That cockiness finally caught up to you.
Did you hear your dad?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when you get to jail, you get one phone
Or
call.
just follow instructions.
So you better figure out who you're going to call, to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start bitching at her and stuff, she gonna make you sit. You call me, I'll make you ass sit too, because I'm not putting up with this shit. You got an attitude. It's gotta change. It gotta change. It's
Shout out to
ridiculous.
the father and mama.
You could have been probably polite to the officer from the get-go, and you probably wouldn't be in the situation you are right now. And I bet if you asked the officer that, your cockiness is probably what put you in that position right there. I guarantee you.
All right, she's getting searched right now by a female deputy. Do you have anything else for her? If not, we're gonna load her up and do some paperwork. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Should I put my shoes back on or just?
Do you want it back on?
If that's what I'm saying, if your mom can bail you out now, or otherwise you will sit there until Monday.
I gotta calculate it, but it'll probably be like $2,500. Do you have an older brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know him very well. Yep. He's in what, the Air Force?
Did you go to high school?
Yeah.
Way to make your family proud. Brother's military.
So you got jewelry on. Do you want to leave that with them and not bring it into the jail, like the earrings and stuff and your necklace?
Can I take it out?
Yeah. So if I uncuff you, do I have to take them out? You're not doing anything? All right. This is me being very nice by doing this. So.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah, if we have a problem, I'm gonna let her talk to you.
I'm getting arrested because I fleed an officer.
She's gonna need somebody to post a bond.
Anything else in the other jewelry?
It's gonna be 10% of probably $2,500.
Okay, I'll go into it.
Have you ever been arrested before for anything?
All right, thank you. All right.
Bye, Mom.
It's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched.
What strip shirts?
To take everything off.
Yeah.
And you bend over.
And now that you know that, if you do have anything on you and you introduce it into the branch jail, it's a felony, okay? All right, I'm just,
Oh, yeah.
I tell everybody I arrest them. I'm gonna cuff her up front since seems like Dad's kind of talked a little bit of sense into her. Are you good with that?
No.
Are you good with that?
Yeah, but Mama's gonna bail her out.
Yeah.
She got to sit for the weekend, man. Learn a lesson.
Okay.
Mama bailing her out. See, Daddy gonna make you sit.
No, it shouldn't take that long. I mean, I know how Jenkins is, though. He's gonna want me to transport my own arrest. So
Yeah, sorry.
it's all on body cam too on the previous Signal 3. So it's like,
Or did I just need that? Whose phone?
That's mine. This is mine.
Oh, he already has your phone, or did he?
yeah, we already have it because she wanted to take that.
Yeah.
All right, good. Just go ahead and put your hands like this together up front. There you go. Just a little bit further out. You're good. I'm being very nice.
Behind you.
Do I have to pop these off?
Well, I mean, I don't think it would be too big of an issue.
Yeah.
I'm double locking it. That way they don't cinch down your real estate.
Yeah, thank you. So bad.
We're going to go to his vehicle right here, okay? Yep, this one right here. Yeah, I don't want you to sit on that seatbelt. I'm just going to buckle you in.
Do you have enough AC?
Oh, yeah, it's cold back there. What's your name?
My name is Officer Gott.
Nice to meet you. Oh, not really, but.
Oh, now she got some.
How long have you
Now
been
she
a
got
police
some
officer?
manners, huh?
Almost 11 years.
Oh, wow. Do you like it?
Oh, I absolutely love it. I mean, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be, I wouldn't be doing it for 11 years.
How long do you think I'll be there for?
Well, it depends. I'm pretty sure that it's a third-degree felony, so you'll have a bond. So a couple hours, then you'll be able to bond out.
Okay.
Mama bailing her out. Sit your ass in there for the weekend. Learn a lesson.
What's up, Cab? Hey, Cab. All right. Go ahead and step out. We're going to go on the right side of this car. Just hang tight. I'm just going to drive you over here.
What?
Yeah. She literally admitted to the entire thing. Like, I've known the family for a long time. I played football with her older brother. Yep. I know your dad. I know your brother. Very well.
Did you play baseball or like football with them?
I played football with for a long time.
Yeah.
I follow him on Facebook.
Yeah.
If the crime that I'm charged with wasn't a felony, I could have just wrote you a ticket and be done with it. But unfortunately, since it's a felony, no matter what, I have to make a physical arrest. But you have like zero criminal history, right?
Yeah. I mean, one time I shoplifted when I was 16, but I don't think it's on there.
Did they charge you with anything or no?
No. Can this get expunged or anything?
I mean, potentially, if you have no criminal history or anything like that,
Yeah.
you know, they might work with you. Do you want the windows up like that or down like that? Or
It's
do you want
fine like that. It's fine like that. The camera's kind of covered by that thing. I don't know if that matters.
Well, if it makes it any better, that was my captain texting me. I'm probably getting in trouble because of how fast I was going looking for you. Because by the time I got back into my car and to go after you, you were so far gone. I was lights and sirens. I was doing over 100. So I'm probably getting in trouble for that now. So if that makes you feel any better.
Do you have any extra waters?
No, I don't have a pack of water. I had a couple bottles, but I don't have any more. I have Red Bull if she wants one.
You want a Red Bull?
Please.
She said
Something.
please. You ain't gonna get all hopped up on Red Bull, right? Like,
No.
you're all weird? Okay.
I just need something.
I got you. So like I said, I'm only
Red Bull.
the civil traffic, just passing or no passing zone,
Okay.
instead of anything else criminal. Okay?
Thank you.
Right?
I don't think I was speeding. I mean, I wasn't looking down.
Listen, I'm not charging you with any speed or anything like that, but you were definitely, I visually estimated you at about 60. Easily.
What's the speed limit on that road?
40.
Yeah, man. You know, mama getting her out of trouble, man. You know, typically it's the daddies with the soft spot, but hey, soft spot for the girls, you know what I'm saying? And mama's got the soft spot for the boys, you know. But yeah, she should have sat. And I ain't gonna lie to you. Daddy would have made her sit, boy. Facts. Yo, salute to that father, man. See, this is why father is so important, man. You know, he know her. He know her. She got an attitude problem. She da whatever. You know, after daddy talked to her, she got her attitude in check. Boy, that thing, complete 360. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, do. Yeah, she got right. She got right. Man. You know, but hopefully she does learn a lesson. You know, I know 5.0s, they fun to drive. They fun to drive, man. You know. But yeah, she, you know, it's nothing that she can't get over. You know what I mean? Nothing that she can't get over. So this is a good video, man. I think the officer did a great job, man. I'd give him 5 out of 5. You know, he was actually pretty cordial and stuff like that. Now, I don't know about that Red Bull and all of that. Like, god damn. Jeez, I get it. You nice, but god damn, man, shit. You think if I got locked up, I'm getting a Red Bull? But also, I do understand that there's pretty much a conflict of interest there because you know the family. So it's, you know, we all human, so there's probably gonna be a little favoritism. You know, I'm not saying it's right, but that's the reality of the situation. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.